Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious egg sandwich at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this simple yet satisfying meal. You'll need 2 to 3 fresh eggs, your preferred bread, and a slice of cheese. Don't forget butter for toasting, plus a pinch of salt and pepper to season your eggs perfectly. Feel free to include other toppings like bacon or spinach if you wish. Now, let's cook those eggs to perfection. Start by heating a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add a small pat of butter. While the pan warms, whisk 2 to 3 eggs in a bowl with a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour the whisked eggs into the pan and cook them gently, folding them with a spatula until they are just set and fluffy, not browned. With your eggs cooked, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Toast your bread to a lovely golden brown, ensuring it's warm and slightly crispy. Immediately place a slice of your favorite cheese on top of the hot, freshly cooked egg so it can melt beautifully. Then, carefully transfer the cheesy egg onto one slice of your toasted bread, adding any extra fillings you desire. Finally, complete your sandwich by placing the second slice of toast on top. For easier handling and a classic presentation, cut your delicious homemade egg sandwich in half. Serve it immediately to enjoy the warm, gooey cheese and fluffy eggs at their best. And speaking of staying refreshed, make sure to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other fantastic deals. It's a great way to keep your drinks cool and yourself hydrated throughout the day, whether you're enjoying a sandwich or on the go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.